Welcome back to V Tutorials. Hello my esteemed viewers, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to V Tutorials. Today we'll be looking at another method we can use in making money on Bybit without investment. Before I dive into that, if this is your first time coming across to this amazing channel, please do what to subscribe, like my videos, and as well share my videos so that a lot of people can get value from this amazing content. So what do we need to do? All you just need to do is to have a verified Bybit account. And if you do not have any, I'll drop my referral link at the descriptive section of this very video so that you can use it to sign up. Alright. So the next thing you just need to do is to try to locate your launch pool. Click on more in order for you to locate your launch pool. Now here we are. We're going to go into trace the launch pool carefully. We'll trace the launch pool carefully. Right? So after you have found your launch pool, the next thing you just need to do is to click on it. I haven't found my dough, so here is it. Here is my launch pool. I'm going to open it, and there is it. So what do we need to do here? What we need to do in this very place is very simple. All you do here is to perform simple tasks and earn new tokens by staking crypto on Bybit. You see the total price pool here, and also you see the total participant here. So what are you waiting for? All you just need to do is to join them and start making fund for yourself. Okay, so let's see. What exactly are we staking here? What we are staking for here is Puffer. Puffer is a native of liquid risk staking protocol built on what? On aging layer. It is designed to show you a lot of things and to enable you to make money. So let's look at it. How do we now participate in Puffer? Come to this place. But before going into that, you can see the time and the days left. It's having 1 day, 20 hours, 56 minutes, and few seconds left. So let's click on it. Click on the register. It says, congratulations, you have successfully registered for the event. Get ready to take Puffer, MNT, USDT to grab a piece of the prize pool. Let the staking begin. Okay? So what do you need to do now? You have to stake. What do you need to stake? You need to stake Puffer. Okay, how can you stake Puffer when Puffer is yet to be listed in the market? I will show you. Second, what you need to stake here is MNT. You need to stake MNT to earn what? To earn Puffer. If you stake MNT, you earn Puffer. These are things you need to stake. You can stake Puffer itself. You can stake MNT for Puffer. You can stake USDT for Puffer. It is very simple, right? So these are the activities that are currently ongoing. What you need to do? What you need to do is very simple. Make some USDT available in your fund wallet and stake it for Puffer. If you stake it and when the activities is over in the next 60 hours, then you'll be able to gain your Puffer in returns. So the next thing you just need to do is to click on stake. But my advice is this. You don't stake Puffer because you don't know how much is going to be listed. And I don't advise you stake MNT either because MNT can be dropped before this staking is over. So I advise you stake USDT because USDT is a strong coin with a value. It cannot quickly goes down. Alright, it cannot quickly be affected. So I advise you stake USDT. So click on stake. If you click on stake, it's going to open this interface for you. What do you need to do here? All you just need to do here is to stake 100 minimum and 2000 maximum. Okay? The minimum you can stake here on USDT is 100 USDT, and the maximum you can stake here is 2000 USDT. Now let's look at the estimated APR. The estimated APR is 55.44%. The calculation will start when? It will start on the 20th, which is tomorrow. This 19, right? It will start on the 20th, which is Sunday, tomorrow. And the distribution's time will begin on the 21st. Now you can look at the total stake here. A lot of people have stake though. You can look at the total stake here. You can look at when the calculation will begin. This is the percentage. And minimum you need to stake here is 100. And the maximum you need to stake here is what? Is 2000. Now click on I have, read and agreed. Okay. After clicking on I have, read and agreed, then the next thing you just need to do is to click on confirm. After you click on confirm, then it will be staked. After you stake, you will now wait until after these 24 hours for you to redeem your staking. It's very simple, right? Okay. I advise you stake USDT. But what if you want to stake the puffer itself? If you want to stake the puffer itself, you can come to this place to click on stake. Right? You click on stake. It will show you the same interface. The minimum puffer you can stake is 300. And the maximum of this puffer you can stake is 5000 puffer. Go ahead to still click on I have read and agreed to the launchpool services agreement. Click on it, and the next thing you just need to do is to confirm. But how can you get this puffer? Since puffer is yet to be in the market. But remember, puffer is in the pre-listing market. Alright? Puffer is in the what? Puffer is in the pre-listing market. So if you want to get the puffer, all you just need to do is to navigate yourself quickly to the pre-listing market and purchase puffer from there. Okay? And after purchasing the puffer from there, make sure this puffer is available in your funding wallet. Okay? If the puffer is available in your funding wallet, then you can use it for the staking and stand a chance to make a huge profit for yourself. Okay? So these are the simple activities you need to do. If you do have any question, do not forget. Drop it at the comment sections. Let's join this now and let's start making money for ourselves. Drop it at the comment sections and I will attend to you ASAP. Okay? And if you have not subscribed to this channel, please do well to subscribe, like our videos, and as well share our videos so that a lot of people can be gaining value from this amazing content. So thank you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.